Hi there and welcome back to my channel. If you're here on this video, you must be a Ford Ranger owner, and you probably have the same problem I have, in that the standard headlights in the Ford Ranger is sketchy at best. Initially, when I was looking for lights, I came across the Osram night breakers, which apparently is up to 20% brighter according to the packaging, and gives you a range of up to 150 meters. I didn't see that much difference in the two. I've got a picture that I will link where the top one is the standard lights and the bottom one is the night breakers. And you know what, to be honest, it was just not what I expected to get out of it. So I'm going up to these bad boys, which is the headlights from STEDI, the LED upgrade lights from STEDI. STEDI, if you don't know, is an Australian company. They make a pretty good quality light bars and light upgrade kits. I just opted for the projector lights and my H15 DRLs and high beams, because I'm going to change the bumper on my Ranger, and with that comes upgraded fog lights, so I didn't need additional lights for that. If you buy the kit, you get the H11s, or the other one which escapes me now, the H15, the DRLs and the high beams. You get a little light that is your side lights, and you also get an upgrade to the fog lights, so that they're all basically the same color gambit. So in this one I will look at this is the H15 light, which is your DRLs and high beams, and this is your H11, which is the projector headlight, and I will compare these two bulbs to what you get out of the packet itself. So without further ado, let's crack on. So this is the H11 headlight, which is for the projector of your Ranger. So let's see. It's the first time I've opened it, so I don't actually know what's in the box. Put this out of the way. Okay, so there is a manual, tells you how to set it up, pretty straightforward, and it tells you also how to align your headlight if it's out of alignment, so you should probably have a look at that once you've put the headlight in. So let's take that out of the way. So in the packet you get the two headlight, which is a fan cooled unit, a Allen key, don't know what that's for, and the light itself. So let's take this bad boy out and put it to one side. And yeah, that's just two lights. And so let's see. Okay, so that is the light itself. That's a brushless fan that's in there, quite a beefy heatsink, a long cable with I don't know what that is, obviously some kind of clever electronics. It says there voltage DC 9 to 30 volts, so it's probably voltage regulated to ensure that the right voltage goes into the LED. To give you a comparison between, oh, got the wrong light there. So this is the stock H11 light that you get when you buy the Ranger, so from Osram, and this is what you'll be replacing it with. As you can see, there's definitely a bit of a size difference between the two there, and it'll be interesting to see what it does, bearing in mind that this is a 360-degree light output, where these are clearly a angled. You only have there are 3 diodes per side and 2 sides to it. Now I wonder if there's a left and right. I don't know. I will have to have a look at the instructions. Yeah, looks like a pretty decent system. The quality of workmanship is second to none. It's really good. Quite a decent heatsink on there. with the little fan in there. Yeah, so the plug there, you can see there, that's a straight connection with oh, that way around, and onto the H11, so shouldn't be a problem there. It tells you there which side's positive, which side's negative. Yeah, not much to say on there. Looks good. So let's move on to the old H15, which they call the Copperhead. It's just it's a lot more weighty than that one. Let's see what's in the box. Hi there guys, so next up is the H15 unit. I was going to do a nice little unboxing like the first one, but it was a bit of a mission, so here we are. I've got one of the lights in my hand. That's quite a lot of stuff, bearing in mind that all of that is replacing one of those. So that is the stock light, which is it's another Osram unit that comes out of the vehicle. So it consists of that little cup there, which is your main beam, and then you have a little one there, which is your DRL. Not so sure if you can see that, but anyway, you trust me on this. I've actually replaced this currently in my Ranger with a eBay special LED unit, and yeah, the light is pretty special from that unit. That's why I am upgrading to something a bit more substantial. So the actual LED light that you get from STEDI, as you can see, it's a beast. You have to put all of this into the light module. You can leave it out, but the light will then be unsealed. I've taken my Ranger into deep water. I've got a snorkel fitted, and I will not be doing that. I will be jamming all of this into the light module itself. So on there you can see, let's get the old pencil pointer. You've got a single LED there, which is, I'm assuming, your daytime running light, and then you have 3 diodes under a cup, and then obviously on the other side, or not obviously, but on the other side you have the same again, a single LED for your DRL, and then 3 diodes under the cup. So in essence it is the same. If we look at it head on, you can see there's a, well, let's hope you can see there's a cup, and then there's a little filament there, or the diodes there. Both, this interestingly has a big seal where this doesn't, so if you, I guess that'll seal the light itself, but I don't know if the whole of the unit is waterproof. I know the back of the light has a dust cap, which is an absolute pain in the backside to get off, but we will get this all jammed in there. In the user manual, it tells you to splay these heat sinks out and also to open them up, like so. There's 6 of them in total, so we will splay them all out. This is a passive heatsink, but there's quite a lot of surface area once you've splayed it all out. So we'll see how it works, and I will get back to you on this. So I look forward to putting these things in. This is definitely weighty compared to this one. This is some serious amount of metal gone in there. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this. If not, let me know how I can improve, and the next video that I will make for this will be a comparison of my actual lights that are currently in the Ranger, which is the Osram night breakers and the eBay special high beams, and then I will put these bad boys in and get another shot of what they look like. So like, comment and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. I am a growing channel and I appreciate your support. And thank you for your time. See you later.